for Kareem, standing to my right. Please state your name for the record.
Kareem Davis.
All right. Date and time set for sentencing. Have you and your client reviewed the screening and assessment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything either of you'd like to say before I do a post?
Right out the gate, this is sentencing day. The lawyer setting the stage, and Kareem's future hangs on what the judge decides next. Stick around, because this one gets surprisingly personal.
Your Honor, my client has participated in all of his recommendations by the probation officer. He has not tested positive, not one time. He has co-parenting with his child, and he's disabled. We would request that you waive or suspend the 1 day of jail time recommended. My client is willing to pay all of his fines today.
Counsel and probation.
Pardon me, Your Honor?
Counsel and probation approach.
Yes, to
No, I'm licensed in Florida.
You need to. Okay, we're good.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, is there anything you want to tell me before I post it?
Yes, sir. I realize I was on a good path over the last decade.
Notice how Kareem brings up almost getting his record expunged. Only make a mistake days before. That's the heartbreaking twist here. Question for you. Should judges weigh someone's past progress more than a single slip-up?
I was about to go in front of the governor to get my record expunged. And I just want to apologize to the court and my family. And I'm definitely going to do better, and I'm not going to make no more ignorant choices like that, sir.
How old's your child?
9.
Boy, girl?
Boy.
Then you have to do better.
Yes, sir.
You said your mother knew?
Yes, it's just,
What did she say?
boy, what is you doing? It's driving me crazy. She wanted to come to court today, but I was like, Mom, I did this. I don't want to stress you out even more.
So you didn't want your mom to come to court?
I mean, she live in Bromley. She bad driving on the expressway. It's raining. I didn't, and I figured I was going to jail.
So
I just,
I'm gonna tell you what. For as long as she graces the planet, if your mother wants to come someplace where you might be in trouble,
yes, sir.
you should bring your mother.
Yes, sir.
So,
And here comes a judge's emotional hammer. He shifts the focus straight to family. This isn't just about Kareem's mistakes. It's about the people he's dragging along with him. Powerful moment, right?
I realize people make mistakes. I'm not mad at you for anything other than that you broke your brother's heart and that you didn't let her come down here. She probably has some stuff to tell me.
Yes, sir.
And you just didn't want me to hear that. So I probably should lock you up for the whole boat because you didn't bring your mom. I know what I can do.
I
I
apologize.
can lock you up, and the only person that you can be released to is your mother. Is she that bad a driver?
I mean, well, she used to work at Milan, so I mean, she's familiar with the area. But she's 71 years old. I just didn't want. It was my mistake.
She's a spry 71-year-old that still drives, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here's your, okay. Anything else you want to tell me?
No, sir.
You probably should have told me all that, right?
Yes.
The court acknowledges this is not a serious misdemeanor as defined by statute. However, does believe there are reasonable grounds to
Legal breakdown. What the judge is saying here is that, technically, this isn't the worst kind of offense. But instead of just punishment, the focus is rehabilitation. Probation, therapy, AA meetings. Do you think the softer approach works better than jail time?
depart from the presumption of a non-probationary sentence. The alcohol screening and assessment identifies the benefit of intensive outpatient programming. Court will therefore follow the recommendation of probation with stated rehabilitative goals to promote change, prevent recidivism, monitor compliance, and recommended treatment. Place you on probation for a period of 24 months. You're to pay $1,255 fines and costs, $100 prosecution recovery costs, $100 police agency recovery costs, and $720 probation oversight fees. When can you get that paid?
I can pay half today, Your Honor.
Do you have a total, Ms. Flair? Everybody's like doing fractions. I'm not in the mood.
I think it's about 35.
Start with total.
Yeah, I know. How much do you have to pay?
What was the total amount, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
He didn't bring his mother. He's making me do math.
$21.75.
I'll pay it all today. Get it out the way. That way.
Classic courtroom humor. The judge jokes about doing math because Kareem didn't bring his mom. But the twist? Kareem had the money all along. Audience, be honest. Was he stalling or just nervous?
Christmas coming up. I need to. I'll take care of it today.
So he had us go through all that.
I'm sorry.
And he had the money to pay.
I apologize.
Mr. Long, you need that. No, never mind. All right, you know, today.
One more
Thank
thing,
you.
Your Honor. Is there anything, a court order that we can have to clear his G, the 625?
I don't know what sanctions may impose otherwise.
Thank you.
All right. There is to be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You're to provide proof of an intensive outpatient program completion, including all aftercare recommendations. Complete current individual therapy with probation. Attend 2A meetings per week with monthly verification to probation. I will discontinue the scram tether in accordance with statute. I'll order 365 days in jail credit for the 4 days that you serve. I will remand the defendant to serve the additional 1 day, and the balance will be suspended. Defendant is remanded.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Allen, you can let him call his mama and tell her to send her baby to jail. Thank you, Mr. Long. That's it for that block.
And there it is, the mic drop after all the talk about mom. The judge literally orders Kareem to call her from jail. A mix of tough love and poetic justice. Would you call this mercy or a lesson?